Welcome back, future Einsteins! My name is Yao, and today we are going to solve this interesting problem about a family of sheep. Now let's get started! Let's first read the question. Mother sheep made some cupcakes and asked the lambs to count. Sean, her clever son, didn't count one by one. He divided the cupcakes into 3 piles with same cakes in each pile. There were 2 cakes left. Then he redivided the cakes into 5 and 7 piles separately. There were 4 and 6 cupcakes left respectively. Can you help Sean to calculate the least possible number of cupcakes? Hi, Mommy Sheep, Jessie, and Sean. So most people think it is very difficult. For the one with he divided the cupcakes into 3 piles with the same cakes in each pile, there were 2 cakes left. People would do it with 3x plus 2. Then he redivided the cakes into 5, and there were 4 cupcakes. So it would be 5y plus 4. And the last one is 7 piles with 6 left. So 7c plus 6. And they all are the same. So people will try and try until they get the right answer. But what if the answer is super big? Then they will literally never get the right answer. So today we are going to use this easier method of doing this problem. So let's first analyze this question first. So this is the graph. So 3 piles, 5 piles, and 7 piles. And there were 2 left, 4 left, and 6 left. Wait a minute, I see a pattern here. 3 minus 2 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1, and 7 minus 6 is 1. The difference is all 1. What if Mother Sheep makes 1 more cupcake? So this will become 3. And since 3 could be divided by 3, this is 0. We plus 1 is 5. Since 5 could be divided into 5, this is 0. Plus 1 again, and we get 7. Same thing. The remainder is 0. So the remainder is all 0. So that means now we can find the least common multiple of these 3 numbers. So we know 3 is a prime, 5 is a prime, and 7 is a prime. So that means we can just time them up. So we know that 3 times 5 is 15, times 7 is 105. So 105. But wait a minute. Remember, we added 1 more cupcake. So we have to take 1 away. Minus 1 is 104. Yeah, we did it. Okay, now that you know this method, try the second problem on your own. Let's first read it. Another day, Mother Sheep went to supermarket and bought some apples. Jessie, Sean's younger sister, divided the apples to 4, 5, 6 piles and found there were always 2 apples left respectively. Then how many apples Mom bought totally? Okay, try this on your own. Okay, are you done? Before we start this question, let's erase this. Okay. So we know that Jessie went to the supermarket with her mom. So let's draw the graph, like in the first problem. So she did it into 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then we know that she found there were always 2 apples left. We see that the remainder is always 2. What if we minus 2 apples? Let's see. If we minus 2 on every one, the remainder is 0. We can do the same again. Find the least common multiple. So 4 times 5 and 6. But wait a minute. So 4 is 2 times 2. 5 is just a prime number, so we don't need to worry about that. 6 is 2 times 3. But 6 and 4 have a common factor of 2. Since we need only 1, we could eliminate one of them. So 2 times 2 times 5 times 3 is 60. But remember, we took 2 apples off. So 60 plus 2 is 62. Mother Sheep bought 62 apples from the supermarket. Yeah, we did it! If you like our video, please subscribe. Remember, STEM matters. See you later, future Einsteins!